Good afternoon guys, I hope you are all doing okay. I'm back again with another tutorial. I was trying to launch my Windows application that I just showed you in the previous video, as you can see, but I encountered this error. The error says this application requires a version of Adobe Air which cannot be found. Please download the latest version of the runtime from that website or contact the application author for an updated version. So while trying to launch my Windows application, I encountered that error which really upset me. So today I'll be trying to show you. This video is let me call it raw because I'm fixing it on the go. Actually, I've not fixed such a problem before, so I'm fixing it on the go with you guys. So I'll be providing a link in the description of this website. As you can see, it contains two downloads, the Adobe Air for macOS and the Adobe Air for Windows. So I've already downloaded, let me show you. As you can see, I've already downloaded the two files here. So I'll just minimize my browser and try to show you guys how to fix it. So I'll be showing you guys how to fix it. As you can see here, go to the download section. Where is it? There you go. Show in Finder. I just want to open a new one so that I don't close my applications folder. As you can see, let's first install the one for Mac so that we can see if it will work. Just use the normal installation methods. I'll not be going in depth into that because this video is not about installation of Mac applications. Put your password. So we want to try and see that has been installed. So I'll again reopen my applications folder. Then I'll try and launch this application and see if it works. As you can see, it does not work, so that means the first one for Mac does not fit. So let us try installing the second one. So just click open with Wine Devil as I showed you previously. Then let's wait and see. Let me minimize this one. Just be patient and wait. That is how the Windows application is open. We shall try and install it and check if it fixes the issue or not. Let me first quit Wine Devil. It's like it's not opening. Then open my downloads. Open. It should be opening. I don't know why it's taking too long. I don't know why it's taking too long. Okay, well, let me try opening this application using the native way. That is, go to the Wine folder, Drive C, Program Files, Mango, Board Animator, then open. I just think I'll encounter the same error, but let's wait and see. Okay, that's so funny, it opens. So I think we found a solution, and the solution is that you cannot run the application from your applications folder. I don't know if that makes sense. What I mean is that, let me minimize this and show you. I was trying to launch my application. As you can see, it's loading. So I was trying to launch my applications. I copied this file from the native installation folder. So I copied this file from the native installation folder and tried to run it as a Mac application. I put it in my application so that I can easily access it, but I think that's not how it works, because if you see, We've gone and opened it from the main folder and it's launching, but when I double click, I get the Adobe Air issue. As you can see, I still get the Adobe Air, but launching it from scratch, like you see, the application has launched okay. So I think actually the problem is that you cannot launch, not actually the problem, the solution is that you cannot launch. I'll just move this to the bin so that to avoid confusion. So for you to launch your application, you'll have to go the long way, which is go to your home folder. Mine is Winrin Mac. Then the shortcut to open hidden folders is Command Shift and the period or the full stop, whatever you want to call it. Then you go to the wine folder, to the drive C, program files, then you'll find the installation here. Then you can launch it from here. I think, yeah, as you can see, the Adobe Air is here, so maybe that could be the reason. The Adobe Air folder is here, so it cannot run without it, and as you can see, the folder is here. So that was the easiest way to fix this issue. Sorry because the video has taken long. Actually, it was a fix on the go. I did not research about it, I just tried it right away, and you guys can see I found a solution to it. So I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you appreciate our videos, you can send an appreciation or even buy me a coffee on PayPal at winlinmactutorials@gmail.com. I'll provide the link to my PayPal, to my email in the description, so that in case you have any challenges with your Hackintosh or your Mac, you can reach out for help and I'll be ready to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.